Hello everyone and welcome to Wild Cambodia Nature, a platform dedicated to discovering, respecting and protecting Cambodia's remarkable wildlife and natural habitat and also wildlife sanctuary. Today videos, we are going to discover a fascinating bird species found in Cambodia, the Brown Prinia, scientifically known as Prinia polychroa. This is a resident bird of Cambodia, meaning that it remains in the country throughout the year. The Brown Prinia is a relatively large member of the Prinia family. It measures approximately 14.5 to 18 cm in length. One of its most noticeable features is the strong bill and long, clearly graduated tail. Its appearance can also change depending on the season. During the non-breeding season, the upper parts are dull brown with noticeable blackish streaks. It has a pale and distinct eyebrow and narrow eyerings and buff white coloration on the throat and breast. During the breeding season, the upper parts become somewhat duller and more grayish brown, while the streaking become less obvious. These subtle seasonal changes make the brown prinia an interesting species for bird watchers and natural enthusiasts. The brown prinia is mainly associated with the undergrowth of dry deciduous forest and pine forest. It can be found in lowland area as well as hill, generally at elevation below approximately 900 meters. These small birds often move through dense vegetation and shrub where it searches for food and remains relatively difficult to observe. Its vocalization are another useful way to identify it. Its song is a rapid, rhythmic sound that can be described. It may also produce a sharp and loud. So, when walking through Cambodia's dry forest, sometimes you may hear these birds before you actually see it. The brown prinia is a resident species in Cambodia. It is fairly uncommon, but can be found particularly in the northern, northwestern, and northeastern region of the country. In the southwestern and southeastern regions, it is considered more local and scarce. In northwestern Cambodia, including areas such as Mondulkiri, Ratanakiri, different subspecies may also occur. This distribution highlights the importance of protecting Cambodia's remaining forests and natural habitats. The brown prinia is not only an interesting bird, but this interesting bird to observe, it also plays an important role in the natural ecosystem. It is primarily an insectivorous bird, feeding on worms, caterpillar, and other small insects found among vegetation and forest undergrowth. By feeding on insects that may damage plants and crops, the brown prinia contribute to natural pest control. This reminds us that birds can provide valuable benefit to agriculture without the need for human intervention. A small bird may seem insignificant, but its role in remaining a healthy ecosystem can be surprisingly important. Globally, the brown prinia is currently classified as a least concern, or LC, meaning that it is not recently considered globally threatened. However, this does not mean that we should stop caring about its habitat. Healthy forests, shrubs, grassland, and natural vegetation provide food, shelter, and breeding area for countless species. Protecting these habitats means protect not only for the brown prinia but also the wider biodiversity of Cambodia. Cambodia is home to incredible diversity of birds and wildlife. Every species has its own role and nature, and every species is a part of much larger ecosystem. By learning about our wildlife, we can better understand its value, and by understanding its value, we can become better protectors of nature. Let us discover wildlife, let us respect nature, and together, let us protect Cambodia's natural heritage and wildlife sanctuary. Thank you for watching Wild Cambodia Nature. If you enjoy discovering Cambodia's bird, wildlife, forest, and natural landscapes, please follow our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support helps us share knowledge, promote conservation awareness, and inspire more people to appreciate Cambodia's incredible natural heritage and wildlife sanctuary. While Cambodian nature discover, respect, conserve, and protect,